Assalamualaikum. We are a group of students from University of Malaysia Terengganu from Bachelor Science degree Nautical Science and Maritime Transportation, and we are here to present about our maritime safety project, the Emergency Collision Suppression System, also known as ECSS. Our project is based on the various vessel collision either between two different vessels or an object such as an iceberg. The main objectives of our research is to first, reduce casualty, second, reduce ship damage, and third, reduce ship repair costs. The idea behind ECSS is inspired by car airbags that protects the user and activate upon car collision. As you can see from the video, the airbags in a car are designed to deploy in life-threatening accidents as they deflate and inflate at exactly just the right time. The airbags activate based on various sensors that determines factors that indicates a life-threatening car accident. However, these airbags function to protect the passengers inside the car, whereas our project ECSS function to protect both the vessel and the crew on board. The ECSS airbags would also not be located on the inside of a vessel, but rather on the outside to maximize the safety of both vessel and the crew on board. As you can see on the picture given, the airbags will be placed outside of the vessel. There are a total of 8 airbags. 4 of them will be at the port and starboard side, 2 on each side, and 4 more on the stern and bow of the vessel. However, upon researching, we discovered that maybe an airbag that covers the vessel as a whole might just be more advantageous, as it can reduce labor costs and save more time on manufacturing involved in creating these airbags. The material of the airbags will be the same ones that is used by airbag launching operation, which is rubber, as we know that the airbags used in airbag launching are made of proven strong materials that can withstand substantial amounts of force. There will be 2 modes installed in the system. First is the auto mode, which the airbags will activate upon certain conditions in automatic radar plotting aid, also known as ARPA, are met. ARPA is a marine radar that is capable of calculating various circumstances surrounding our vessel and other vessels' current speed, course, time taken for closest point of approach, also known as TCPA, and closest point of approach, also known as CPA. The system will utilize this link by calculating the closest point of approach, CPA, and time for closest point of approach, TCPA, of an incoming vessel. If another vessel's TCPA and CPA is deemed unavoidable by ARPA, ECSS will automatically activate the airbag surrounding our vessel and the vessel deemed to be unavoidable to contact to reduce the damages done to both the vessel, including casualties. For example, the regular circumstances for a vessel collision is that the CPA is under 2 nautical miles and the TCPA is usually under 10 minutes. If these conditions are met on ARPA, ECSS will immediately activate the airbag surrounding the vessel. The second type of mode is the manual mode, which activates the airbag manually via a button that is built inside the bridge of a vessel. There will be 4 different buttons that corresponds to a vessel's port, starboard, aft, and bow. The manual mode functions to avoid our vessel from damaging itself in a close proximity to another vessel or port. For example, When our vessel is berthing to a port next to another vessel, we can push the button located on the bridge of our vessel to minimize our vessel's contact to the vessel next to us, ensuring that our vessel doesn't get damaged in the berthing operation. To bring things to a close, according to an article from the website kbps.org called Nova, Why Ships Crash from Jennifer Robinson, dated May 16, 2022, there is an average of around 2,500 ships crash each year. With the implementation of ECSS on a ship, we can achieve our objective of reducing ship damage, ship repair costs, and minimizing casualty of the crew on board. With our video, we hope that our audience can see our point of view of making the ECSS system as a standard of safety requirements needed to be implemented in the maritime industry. With that, we shall conclude our video presentation on the ECSS project. Thank you for watching.